Are your Google apps crashing due to the Widevine CDM adapter DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. While preparing the manual steps for Widevine CDM adapter, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Widevine CDM adapter, the Widevine Content Decryption Module, CDM adapter. It facilitates the unmanaged communication between a browser and the Widevine DRM engine, mandatory for playback of protected localized 4K content on streaming sites like Netflix or YouTube. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Widevinecdmadapter is typically part of a game's graphics stack. Install the latest Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime using the official web installer to restore legacy D3DX, X-input, or X-audio components. Then update your GPU drivers if the file is OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA related. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Widevine CDM adapter file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the application setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Widevine CDM adapter DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing Widevine CDM adapter and system health. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Widevine CDM adapter error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.